Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to add a checkout to your Canva website so your visitors can buy your products directly. Even if you're new to selling online, by the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional checkout up and running. To get started, we'll need a third-party platform to handle payments. One great option is PayHip, which is completely free to get started. Just head over to their website and click on Get Started for free. Fill in your account details, give your store a name, and you're ready to start adding products. Once your account is ready, click on Add a Product. Choose a type of product you're selling, digital or physical, then fill in the product's name, price, and upload an image. After entering all the necessary information, click Add Product and your product page is ready. Copy the link to this product because we'll need it for your Canva website. Now, head back to your Canva website. Click on Elements and search for an Add to Cart button. Pick a style you like and place it wherever you want on your page. You can customize the color to match your website design. Then, click on the three dots in the top corner of the element and select Link. Paste the product link you copied from PayHip, hit Done, and that's it. If you preview your website, clicking the button will now take visitors directly to your product page. If you want a shopping cart where customers can view all the items that they've added, it's just as easy. Go back to PayHip, click on Store, then Domains, and copy your store domain. Back in Canva, go to the section where you want your cart icon, click on Elements, search for Cart, and place it on your page. Again, click the three dots, select Link, and paste your store domain link. Preview your site, and now clicking the cart icon will take your visitors to a full shopping cart where they can review their items before checkout. And that's it. Using this method, you can quickly create a functional checkout on your Canva website. You can also use similar steps with other platforms like Shopify or Gumroad. It's fast, easy, and perfect for anyone looking to start selling online without complicated coding. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tutorials like this. Now, go ahead and set up your Canva website checkout and start selling with confidence.